But before we go into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on Twitter at TCP Crypto, or I drop jokes, news, and I challenge people on the truth. Folks, I don't have time. You don't have time. I hate wasting your time. Let's go into the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back with another video. Have you ever wondered why we don't have a protocol or an application or even a company that allows for fractional crypto investment, much like mutual funds? Well, today I brought you that an exclusive YouTube video on KoinBasket. Stay tuned. What is this company? What is this KoinBasket? But before I tell you about KoinBasket, who's behind it, what is the status of them right now, let me tell you a little bit about what this unique company trying to do. So KoinBasket want to bring diversification, risk management for crypto investors. And the way they achieve this is by thematic crypto investments. They search for trends, they search for ideas, and they filter crypto projects because let's face it, we don't have the time, you and I, vetting and looking and be on the news on every single crypto project. It just won't happen simply because there are thousands and thousands of crypto applications and projects being launched every single day. KoinBasket, on the other hand, they cooperate biggest crypto exchange. They cooperate with Coinbase, offering its users early access in a simple way for every single one. If you're a noob, this is a perfect for you. If you are more advanced and want to go into DeFi, this is for you without the volatility of crypto. There's also something that I think this is well suited for. Guys, we are 30% away from the absolute bottom of the crypto. We are in the bear market. Everyone knows this. Everyone in agreement on this right now. And guess what? Let's say Bitcoin drops all the way to $15,000 tomorrow, and you only have the $15,000. But guess what? You want to invest in Ethereum as well. You want to invest in Matic, Polygon, all of the big 5 or 7 on the list, because these are the ones that stood the test, already been vetted, put an immense amount of stress from all of these years, and they will rebound very, very hard because they already have the infrastructure established, they already have the users base established, and they already have their immense amount of marketing ready for the next bull run. Now, you only have a 15,000, but if you put it all in Bitcoin, that's it. That's your 15,000 Bitcoin. You're going to miss Ethereum. You're going to miss Matic. You're going to miss Avalanche. You're going to miss BNB. You're going to miss all of the others. So how about taking these 15,000, deploy them in one of the baskets, which, oh, by the way, I'm going to walk you through the app, tell you how to sign, what the app look like, and also show you the baskets. Very simple. KoinBasket, what kind of problem they want to solve? So the problem they will solve is that until now, there's no crypto exchange, asset management company worldwide to offer simple and passive investment product like crypto mutual funds, right? There isn't any until now, and they actually came with KoinBasket. Very simple sign up process. All what you need to do is you have to be in the US base. You have to have a phone number and you register right away. It's going to link automatically with your Coinbase account because it sits on it. And you have to have at least, give or take, $200 in your Coinbase account. Baby, you are good to go. And you can choose one of their baskets. And since they are only dealing with KYC, exchange verified users, right? They are obeying automatically by all the rules and regulations that Coinbase is actually obeying or following. So this is a no joke. Let me take you to who behind this project, a little bit about their financial status right now. So these are the guys behind KoinBasket. As you can tell, they just raised in a pre-seed run $2 million and they're good to go. They're just streamlining their marketing, setting up everything, and getting ready to take this massive world of passive crypto investments, letting people pick a basket that has already been pre-screened to minimize the volatility risk. So the guys are actually doing wonderful, and you can read a little bit of articles about KoinBasket. As you can tell, you can visit their actual website. Here's the actual website for them. Again, they just launched, so chances are, if you see this video as very first video on YouTube in general, I got you some exclusive things. And always with TCP, I don't play around. I give you something that has value, and also where you can get in, use it early. If you like it, you like it. And if it's something that you can benefit from, well, that's advantageous for all parties, right? So here's the deal. Here you have a sneak peek of their actual application, which I'm going to show you in just a second. You get early access, baby. You get early access. And right now they're on Coinbase. Crypto baskets start as just $100 with zero fee. Zero fee. Kick out the FUD. Kick out the huddle peacefully with our crypto portfolio. Baby, you don't have to spend hours and hours and days and following one shitty guy on Twitter or following a shitty project on CoinMarketCap. You don't have to do this. You don't have to be burned with scams. These guys already put a lot of work, a lot of hours in actually vetting what you are going to see in each basket in order to give the people an access in a mutual fund way for them to experience the crypto. And I get some really good news for NFT people out there. If you have an iPhone or if you have an Android, go to the App Store and download a KoinBasket app. You sign in, as you can tell, right? Put your email, put your password. When you first going to download the app, they're going to ask you for a phone number in the United States. You put your phone number, it's going to redirect you to link your Coinbase, because that's how they're buying these baskets, buying these crypto, right? And put them inside these baskets. That's how the app is actually functioning. You're gonna authorize, bada, 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 boom, and boom, is gonna connect with your Coinbase account. You're gonna have this page, as you can tell, you have a lot of baskets. You have the GOAT basket. Inside that basket, you have BTC, ETH, ADA, DOT, LTC, which is Litecoin, and Link. And I love this collection, by the way. And you read a little bit about it, right? And they have also the whale basket. Now this one, it has ETH, Bitcoin, Uni, Link, Aave, and Engine. And you can read a little bit about it. And it gives you not only the price, it gives you also the diversification, the percentage for each allocation, right? And you have the new basket. If you're a totally noob, you can read here. New basket is suitable for beginners who want to stay passive and prefer not taking risk bets in any volatile market. This basket allows beginners to capture the overall market direction without having to spend time on going after each project. See, that's the power of this right here. You just set it, forget it, put money in that basket, and you know for sure that each allocation is gonna go diversify your investment. It's like, I don't know if you've used M1 Finance. On the stock world, there is a similar, I would say, app. It's called M1 Finance, which is phenomenal. Right? You go to the DeFi basket, you have ETH, Uni, Link, Matic. Love it. Love the picks right away. All right. And here's this basket gives investor the right to exposure to a promising crypto project that are disrupting current financial system in a big way. Right? When we talk about DeFi, we talk about disruption to financial industry, right? For you people with the NFT, Here's the NFT gaming basket. I have projects here. I recognize Engine, right? It's a big on the NFT gaming crypto / metaverse. It's already been picked. These projects are already been screened. You don't find any shitty project right here in this basket, right? I went through them. I took a look at them. Whether it's an NFT, whether it's DeFi, whether you are a noob, you want to stay safe, but you want to capture, again, the wave of the market. Limbo baskets for the people with the optimum amount of risk appetite. These people who want to risk and get the highest rewards. Also, there is a basket for you. Here is the thing that I want to tell you about. Remember, folks, we are only 30% away from 90% drop in Bitcoin based on historical data that we have, right? So we are very close from closing this bear market. It may take weeks, it may take months. It depends, right? But remember, now when the market reverses, you want something like this to start using right now. If you don't have a massive amount of money, you can have the exposure on the top cryptocurrency projects without really spending a lot of money. And when the market reverses, you will be exposed to all the gains toward the upside as well without the risk of going into one project, bet all of your money on, and then end up losing it or not performing as you expected. That's it for today. Link in the description below. You can go, you can use that link, download the app, and get started. Also, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos that I'm going to post. Folks, as always, stay hard, be smart, have a wonderful day.